Hey there, I'm Steve and you're watching Car Simplified. Today we are cleaning up some WeatherTech floor mats that haven't been thoroughly cleaned in a year and a half. Or I could say they've never been cleaned ever. They came with the car brand new and we've had the car for a year and a half. Now one of the cool things about these mats is you don't really need anything special to clean them. I'll just be using some degreaser and a scrub brush, and I'll link to these down below so they're real easy to find. Alright, this is the WeatherTech floor mat I'm about to clean up, and I would like to point out right away, this butter, I'm really glad I do not have to clean that off of carpet. Not having to clean butter out of carpet is one of the big perks of this floor mat. These come molded to the car, but they don't attach, so they come right out real easy. This one has pins that will just keep it from sliding around so you don't end up with it in the way of your pedals. Start by dumping the dirt out. Next, rinse them out, and then pour all the excess water out. Next, I'm going to use a mild degreaser and a scrub brush to scrub them clean. And make sure you wear gloves because degreaser is tough on skin. Alright, these are scrubbed clean. Now next step is to rinse them out and make sure everything was cleaned off. Alright, there's a few tough spots, but even on the first pass, they look great. I was able to clean up all that old butter residue in the corner on the first go. The only spots I missed were real tiny spots that I just glanced over. Make sure you wear some sort of eye protection when you're doing this too, because if this stuff gets in your eyes, it's gonna hurt. Now, it may be tempting to spray some protector on here, but that can be greasy and you don't want your feet sliding around on here. You can spray that stuff on the passenger side or in the back if you want, but when it comes to the driver's mat, make sure that it's not going to be slippery. You don't want your feet sliding around when you're trying to press the gas or the brake. While you're waiting for them to dry, vacuum out your carpet area. Alright, those floor mats ended up looking great. I will link to an inexpensive scrub brush and the degreaser that I used in the description below, and if you use those links, it helps out the channel quite a bit. If you enjoy working on your own car or are just curious how they work, consider subscribing. I've got a whole bunch of automotive content. I release a wide variety of stuff, so I'm sure there's something you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video. I'm not sponsored by anybody. The only little sketchy thing going on behind the scenes is that I'm filming this a week after I did all that. In fact, it's nighttime and it's raining outside, so I definitely wouldn't have been doing this on a rainy day.